Hi my lovely friends, welcome to my channel. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I am Nitika and I post easy DIY nail art ideas as well as nail polish reviews every week on my channel. So if you are interested in watching nail art designs or watching review videos of nail polishes, then please do consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Are you up for a quick nail design that you can create in just a jiffy? I mean, not literally, but yes, I can guarantee that you can create this nail art design in under 10 minutes. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly get started. All you need to create this cute design is a toothpick and 4 of your favorite nail polishes. As it is summers, I am gonna be using a light blue nail polish, a black, an orange, and a silver nail polish to create this design. Also, I'm going to be making the design only on my 2 fingernails, but you can choose to create this design on all your nails or 2 nails or 3 nails as you wish. So let's quickly get started by making the base ready for this nail art design. So as you can see, I'm painting my ring fingernail, my middle fingernail as well as my index nail in this gorgeous light blue shade from Revlon, and then I'm going to be painting my pinky nail as well as my thumbnail in black base. If you wish to create this nail art design in exact same colors as I am doing, then don't hesitate to ask me the nail polish details in the comment section down below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. So I had to apply 2 coats of each black as well as blue nail polish on all of my nails to get the desired opaque look like so. After this, grab an old plastic sheet that you can trash it later and pour a drop of your favorite nail polishes. I'm using black, silver and the orange nail polish over here. So after I have poured the drops of each of these nail polishes on the plastic sheet, now I'll grab my toothpick and I'm going to be using the sharper side of my toothpick to create this design. And by the way, if you like this rose quartz gel nail design on my right hand nails and you would like a tutorial for the same, then don't forget to comment down below. Anyway, so let's come back to this nail art design. So all I'm doing here is picking some polish on my toothpick like so, and I'm starting off with the black nail polish and I'm creating some vertical lines. And don't worry if you don't have a steady hand, because as you can see the lines don't need to be so perfect, but do try to keep these lines evenly spaced like so. So after you have done with the first color as I've done with the black nail polish, now I'm picking up the second color, which is the silver one, and I'm going to create the similar line on both of my nails like so. Now you can create these designs on all your nails, or like me, you can only create the design on 2 of your nails or even on single nail. Usually people go for the accent nail on the ring fingernail, but this time I thought of creating my accent nails as my index as well as middle fingernail. So it's all up to you, however you feel you can create this nail art design. Now I am finally repeating the same step of creating vertical lines on both of my nails using the orange nail polish. One more thing I wanted to remind you is that don't overdo it. By that I mean that don't make too many lines, so your blue base or whatever base color you have used should still show up and should not disappear completely by those vertical lines. And that's it really. Wasn't that quite simple and easy? And it looks so cute, isn't it? As always, our final step is to apply a good quality top coat to protect our manicure and to help it last for a longer period of time, and also to make it look super shiny. I had so much fun creating this cute and easy nail design, and I think it can be such a cool activity for my little fans to do during their summer break. Don't you think so? You can go ahead and create this design on your friends' nails in so many different color combinations. In fact, I'd love to see your recreation, so don't hesitate to post a picture of your recreation on Instagram and tag me in using this hashtag. And by the way, if you haven't visited my Instagram, then I highly recommend checking it out. I post over there daily and my stories are really interesting. So don't miss out and go follow me on Instagram as well. And that's it really. I hope you're staying inside your home, you're healthy and happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!